I'm here on this intense survival hike. Been going for at least 2 hours. I don't know how much longer we'll make it up here. Fierce conditions. I'm filming myself, I have no cameraman. I encountered a wild Jeff. I was lucky enough to tame it. And recently I caught this special worm. It's very rich in nutrients. It's called the pepperoni worm. If you can get over the terrible taste, this stuff will keep you alive for days. We have this vegetation here. Makes for some great food if you're dying, but we're gonna stick with our worm for now. We come to a spot with these snowdrifts. We've buried water here earlier. If you dig deep enough, it makes a great cooling area for your water. That snow is so juicy with water. Man. Great thing for survival here. We'll load up our packs again, get on the move. Maybe if we go fast enough, we can catch up to those wild Homo sapiens over there. Hunt them down. I've just made a scary discovery. If you look closely at these prints in the mud, you can see that a bear was close by recently. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely. That was a huge bear. Its prints are as big as my foot. It's intense. As you can see, there's a lot of bear scat here by this creek, but it's alright because I got my heavy duty bear spray, so none of them should be messing with me. If they get close, spray the sucker with this stuff and I'm good to go. But, wow, just look at that. They were having a party over here. Alright, this is Gryll Bears and I'm out. Made it to our pickup location. No signs of life anywhere, but the helicopter should be here soon.
Or the float plane.
Very remote area. Glad this is over. This is the final recording. And Gryll Bears is out.